Find the value of 105 square by using identity. 105 square. We have to write it as 100 plus 5 whole square. Here we use a plus b whole square formula is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square is the formula. Here a value is 100, a value 100, b value 5 and b value 5. This equal to a square, a value is 100 square plus 2 into a value 100 into b is 5 plus b square, b is 5 square. 100 square is 10,000 plus 100 into 2, 200, 200 into 5, 2 5s are 10, it is 1000 plus 5 square is 25. Total 10,000 plus 1,000, 11,000, 11,000, 25, 11,025 is our answer.